going into the public speaking aspect, I would ask you, like, how do you feel that public speaking can help modern business owners, or whether it be business owners or people who have trades and skills, like plumbers, electricians, lawyers, whatever, or people who are looking to build a big business? How do you feel public speaking can help these people?
For sure, Elijah. So for me, communication impacts every area of our life. So it's not just about making more money in the business, getting more sales, increasing our salary. It's the way we talk to our families. It's the way that we make new friends. It's the way that we lead a more fulfilling life. That's why I always ask these three questions. What do you want in life? What are your goals? Who already has what you want in life? Who are the people who have already been there, done that, and achieved what you want to achieve in your life? And the third question that most people don't think about is, how is that person communicating? The person who has what we want, how do they come out as a communicator? How do they come across? And that's why Warren Buffett always says that the number one investment he ever made in himself was a Dale Carnegie course, like spending on communication, because it allows him to amplify anything that he wants to work on. So that's why I encourage your audience to think about it. Because if you got a side hustle or something, you could use communication as a vehicle to persuade people into buying your products and services.
Indeed. And if we're gonna be honest, sales equals income. If you're not generating sales, you're not gonna be in business for very long. But even just not just sales, but let's say you do build a fairly big company. Uh, Knowing how to communicate with your contractors, with your employees, with your peers, and forging relationships is a valuable skill set in itself. And you're going to have to learn these skills if you're going to be successful. Because I don't know who exactly said it, but basically, the quality of your relationships in life determine how successful you're going to be. If you have good quality relationships, then you're going to tend to go very far in life. But if you have limited and strained relationships, you're going to have limited options. So just boosting your communication skills in general is going to be a huge asset. And obviously, if you develop the ability of public speaking, it puts that asset on steroids.
Absolutely. I completely agree. It's this idea that as your business scales, are your communication skills scaling with the business? That's the question I always ask my entrepreneurs. So if you're a business doing less than 100,000 per year, you're usually doing everything. Sales, delivery, ascension, you're talking to customers, you're doing everything. But when you get to half a million, 250, 750, you're getting to a place in your business where you're hiring people and you're telling them what to do. But if your communication skills aren't efficient at that level, you're going to create a lot of problems. Your employee's going to come back to you and go, "Huh? What did you mean? What do you want me to do?" And they won't know what a good job looks like, and that will mean to you a lot of lost revenue.
Sup everyone, y'all just watched a clip from one of the episodes of the Side Hustler Society podcast. If you want to check out the full episode, you can click on the link in the description right now, or click on the video that's showing in the end screen. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when another episode drops, and a thumbs up on this video is very much appreciated. I'll catch you in the next one.